been a long time since I recorded a sneeze. I think I'll stop talking. Stop talking. Stop sneezing. But there's been a lot of deaths, a lot of projects, a lot of exciting things, and we've been busy with a project that's taken a lot of time up. And as you know, we had puppies 1 year ago. That was yesterday or 2 days ago. They're now 1 year old, and we're gonna have a reunion. But I'm sorry guys, there's been no sneezing updates. But I did sneeze today, didn't I? So thanks for watching. I will keep you updated when I get some more time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you all. Oh, that's been a long time I've recorded one. But I'm not going to explain now. I'll explain in my next video. And I'll give you an update on why I've not been posting any videos. One of the reasons is because I've not been recording any. Sorry. Been way too busy. No. I think it's finished. It's too late, sorry. Anyway, I'll try and keep you updated. Keep thinking, is the camera still here? Keep that lock here on. Yes, that's fine. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, just about to go to bed. As usual. And you can see I've turned everything off. And it's tired as these. So I had to quickly run back inside, grab my phone and sneeze. Because I know I've not updated for a very long time. And excuse the phone doing this because I'm holding it in my left hand. Oh, there's the camera there. So, I better sneeze downstairs than go upstairs. And then wake everybody that are sleeping. So, I'm finished. I was sneezing about, I don't know, for about 30 seconds before this. So this is quite a long sneeze. I'm going to sneeze again as well. And as you can see, I've got no lights in front of my eyes. I keep forgetting the camera's on this side with this phone. It's not stopped. Oh, yeah. I think it stopped. I keep forgetting the camera's here. Yeah. Sorry. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I recorded a video. Sneezing video. Oh, it's finished, I think. Anyway, folks, so I've not kept you updated for a long time. Sorry, folks. I've not kept you updated for a long time, but we've been really busy with a lot of projects at the moment. And working. And puppy reunions and puppy birthdays and that sort of thing. But hopefully when the project's finished and it's started, I'll have more time to record videos of my sneezing. I mean, it's not that I like recording videos of my sneezing, but I do have fans, supporters, and maybe they have the same problem as well. I don't know. Do you sneeze every day? Do you sneeze several times a day? Is there a reason for it? Are you allergic for something? I don't know. I have cats and dogs. I've always had cats and dogs all my life. So, but I started sneezing when I was 17 years old, when I drank my first beer, or what we call it in England, lager and lime. That's a bit like a bud or a lager with some lime in it. Lime syrup. That's when I started sneezing for the first time. Anyway, fur thugs, it's now a long video. I hope it's not too long. I hope you don't get bored, but thanks for watching. Love you all.